welcome to Maui. This is one of my favorite sounds here. Listen to those whales singing. This clip here was in the Molokini Crater. It was actually a lot deeper than I feel like it looks here, but as I was looking down there, can you see them? Kind of hard to see, and looks like, I don't know, mom or dad and a young fish. I just thought that was a beautiful fish. And as we turn here, this is actually my thumbnail picture right there, but just a beautiful scene in the Molokini Crater. Amazing. I did feel a little bit bad that as I dove down, I saw that turtle way down there. I was like, oh, I wonder if I can get that deep. And most of the time when I dive down to creatures, they don't really mind. But as you can see, take a deep dive. Off on the right, I was wondering, there's a couple big fish if you saw back there. But as I swim up to this guy, I don't think he was expecting any large visitors and spooked the guy a little bit, so... Anyway, I try not to bother nature too much, but in this case, he did not want me to be there, so he swam away. I really love the parrotfish. Those colors are amazing. I got really lucky on this next clip though of the whale. I could see that guy hiding down under the rock. Decided to dive down and see exactly what it was. And turned out that it was a trumpet fish, but I don't know if this kind you call it banded trumpet fish, or I'd call it maybe like a zebra trumpet fish, but it was pretty cool looking. I love the color of these guys, and generally they're not too skittish, so they'll let you get kind of close. They're actually pretty big fish, so it was pretty fun to see. If you look, there's a fish down there messing with something, and my buddy Sanford actually pointed this out. The fish was attacking an octopus right there. He's kind of white and black. But he changes color and sucks himself into that hole. Here was a stop at Waianapanapa Beach, the black sand beach on the road to Hana. As you can see, nice and black. It was a little bit stormy out here. The rain started to come. But since I'm a Washingtonian, I didn't really care. Everyone else was kind of scurrying away.
Anyway, it's a pretty cool place, to say the least. hiding under the outcropping over there where the cave is. Can you see what it looks like in the water? Probably lots of sand and can't see anything. Oh, big one.
We were super lucky to get to go on a helicopter ride on Blue Hawaiian, and here we were able to land on the mountainside. The Molokini Crater is out in the distance, and I just thought this was a cool view with the shadow as we were approaching the ground here. So on this trip, it was actually Alina's birthday, and you can see there's a rainbow there, even though there doesn't look like there's too much rain. What a wonderful birthday present. So I know it's hard to believe, but occasionally I do get out of the water. This is us hiking on the Haleakala National Park PP Trail up to the waterfall. Had a great time out there. I'll maybe include a few pictures here for you guys to see, but this was during the bamboo forest portion of the hike. Some nice boardwalks. Some places had boardwalks, some places didn't, but I highly recommend it if you get a chance to get out there. Here's some photos. So here's Alina in front of a banyan tree. There's double falls from the bridge. That's lower down on the trail. In front of the banyan tree again. That was down toward the ocean. There's me up in the banyan tree. We just had a ton of fun here. It was a great hike. Here you might ask, what am I looking at? That is actually me underneath the boat. I had Alina go inside. They had a clear bottom in our boat, so you could look out the side and see the fish, or you might see me free diving.